Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install MySQL Workbench on Ubuntu 18.04. First, let's update. So let's copy and open terminal. Let's paste. So it is easy, just two commands and waiting for the update. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's install now. Let's copy this. So sudo apt install MySQL Workbench and yes to continue. And it start to install, so please wait. Okay, the installation is finished. Let's open Workbench. So go to show application and search for Workbench. And this is MySQL Workbench. So let's check the version together. This is the version 6.3. So this is how to install a Workbench MySQL on Ubuntu 18.04. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.